Welcome to Rising Voice English. This is day 2 of your speaking journey. You are building a habit. Habits create results. Take a deep breath. Inhale slowly. Exhale gently. Today, we will practice new, real-life English situations. You will speak about goals. You will speak about time. You will speak about health. You will speak about communication. You will speak about daily decisions. Do not rush. Do not worry about mistakes. Speak clearly. Pause after each sentence. Repeat with confidence. Let's start. Part 1. Starting the day with purpose. The sun is rising. The room is quiet. I open my eyes. I feel calm. I sit up in bed. I check the time. It is 6:15 in the morning. I did not press the snooze button. That is progress. I stand up slowly. I make my bed. A clean bed makes the room organized. I open the curtains. Light fills the room. I feel awake. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my hands. I wash my face carefully. The water feels fresh. I look at myself. I speak clearly. Today, I will use my time wisely. Today, I will speak clearly. Today, I will take action. I comb my hair. I choose simple clothes. I prepare for a productive day. Part 2. Health and Energy English. Good health is important. I drink a glass of water. Water gives me energy. I prepare a healthy breakfast. I cut fruit. I boil eggs. I make tea without too much sugar. Healthy choices matter. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I focus on my meal. I do not use my phone. I protect my morning peace. After breakfast, I stretch my body. I move my shoulders. I move my neck. I move my legs. Movement improves my focus. I feel more active. Energy helps me think clearly. Part 3. Managing time. Time is valuable. I check my schedule. I write my tasks in a notebook. Task number 1. Finish my main project. Task number 2. Practice English for 20 minutes. Task number 3. Call a friend. Task number 4. Read something useful. I decide my priorities. Important tasks come first. Small tasks come later. I avoid distractions. I turn off unnecessary notifications. I focus on one task at a time. When I focus, I finish faster. Finishing tasks builds confidence. Part 4. Professional communication. I arrive at work. I greet people politely. Good morning. I hope you are doing well. Today, we have several tasks to complete. Let's organize our work. Clear organization saves time. Can we discuss the plan? Yes, let's review it. First, we will finish the report. Second, we will contact the client. Third, we will prepare tomorrow's meeting. Do you agree with this plan? Yes, it sounds clear. If you need support, please tell me. Thank you for your cooperation. Professional language is simple. Professional language is respectful. Clear speech creates trust. Part 5. Expressing opinions. I would like to share my idea. Please listen carefully. I think we should improve our communication. Better communication prevents confusion. I believe teamwork is important. Working together saves time. What do you think? That is a good suggestion. I appreciate your feedback. Sharing ideas builds leadership. Speaking clearly builds respect. Part 6. Handling challenges. Sometimes problems appear. Problems are normal. I stay calm. I analyze the situation. What exactly is the issue? The deadline is close. We need more time. Let's find a solution. Can we divide the work? Yes, that will help. Teamwork reduces pressure. Instead of complaining, we act. Instead of worrying, we plan. Solutions create progress. Part 7. Phone conversation practice. Hello, this is Daniel speaking. Good afternoon. I am calling regarding our appointment. Is this a good time to talk? Yes, I am available. I need clarification about the schedule. The meeting has moved to Thursday. Thank you for informing me. Could you please send a confirmation email? Yes, I will send it shortly. I appreciate your help. Have a productive day. Goodbye. Clear voice, short sentences, direct message. Part 8. Money and Payments English. Excuse me, I would like to make a payment. What payment method do you prefer? I prefer to pay by card. Please insert your card. Enter your PIN. The transaction is successful. Here is your receipt. Thank you for your service. Managing money requires clarity. Always confirm details. Ask questions if necessary. Part 9. Learning and Improvement. Learning never stops. I dedicate time to improve my skills. Today, I studied new vocabulary. I learned useful expressions. I practiced pronunciation slowly. I recorded my voice. I listened carefully. I corrected my mistakes. Improvement requires awareness. Awareness requires honesty. I accept my mistakes. Mistakes teach valuable lessons. Part 10. Social Skills Practice. Hello, how have you been? I have been doing well. What have you been working on recently? I have been improving my communication skills. That sounds interesting. Yes, I practice daily. Consistency makes a difference. Do you have any advice? Yes. Start small. Practice regularly. Do not compare yourself with others. Focus on your own progress. Thank you for the advice. You are welcome. Part 11. Afternoon Reflection. The afternoon is quiet. I review my progress. Did I complete my main tasks? Yes, I did. If not, I adjust my plan. Flexibility is important. I stay patient with myself. Growth takes time. Every effort counts. Small improvements matter. Part 12. Evening Routine. The day is almost finished. I return home. I feel slightly tired, but I feel satisfied. I remove my shoes. I wash my hands. I change into comfortable clothes. I prepare dinner. Cooking relaxes my mind. I clean the kitchen after eating. Organization reduces stress. A clean space improves focus. Part 13. Gratitude Practice. Before sleeping, I reflect. What went well today? I managed my time well. I spoke clearly. I handled challenges calmly. I practiced English seriously. I am proud of my effort. Gratitude builds positivity. Positivity builds motivation. Part 14. Night Confidence Building. I sit quietly. I close my eyes. I breathe slowly. I say strong words. My skills are improving. My communication is clearer. I express myself better. I am disciplined. I am focused. I am committed to growth. Tomorrow I will continue. Consistency creates transformation. Final message. You completed day 2 practice. That shows commitment. Speaking daily changes your future. Confidence grows through repetition. Skill grows through action. Do not stop now. Return tomorrow. Continue building your fluency. This is Rising Voice English. Your voice